How to log in for US Bank Visa Platinum Credit Card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about logging into your US Bank Visa Platinum Credit Card. So let's get started. First of all, you have to simply go ahead, enter usbank.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Once you're in the official website of US Bank, simply locate the login portal in the right hand side of the screen and simply select your account type: online banking, online investing, business banking, corporate and commercial, or institutional. Once you click on it, enter the correct form of your user ID in the first field. And if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your username for the future logins, check this box over here. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for the security reasons. Just below it, enter the correct form of your password, and then click on the login button that is highlighted in blue color in order to successfully log into your US Bank account. So after you have signed up and logged in, you will be able to manage your US Bank Platinum account online. You can pay your credit card bill, see the credit card statements, monitor the account activity, and change the account information such as the passwords and automatic payments. So this was all about it. This is how you can log into your US Bank Visa Platinum Credit Card. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.